Rahu transit into Aquarius impact on Capricon Ascendant Makar Lagna. The transit of Rahu in Aquarius, specifically within Capricorn's second house related to finances, communication, and values, can bring about significant changes in a Capricorn's financial life and fluctuations in finances. While it might open up new income opportunities, particularly in tech or digital fields, it also cautions against impulsive spending and suggests a need for clear communication within the family. Financial changes and opportunities. The discovery of new and potentially innovative ways to generate income, especially in areas like technology, digital media, or international markets. Financial fluctuations. Rahu in the second house can lead to both increased earning potential and a heightened awareness of money matters. For both gains and losses. Impulsive spending and a focus on financial independence are possible, so mindful spending is crucial. Increased focus on financial independence. This transit may intensify a Capricorn's desire for financial security and independence, and financial planning. Relationships and communication. Family matters and communication. Rahu's influence might create tension or challenges in family dynamics, emphasizing the importance of open and honest communication to resolve any conflicts. Possessing a stronger ability to persuade or influence others, but this power should be used responsibly and ethically. Other considerations. Emotional shifts. Rahu can trigger emotional fluctuations and a stronger need for emotional self-awareness, especially as it relates to the simultaneous transit of Ketu in Leo, Capricorn's 8th house, might suggest a need for emotional detachment and a focus on inner growth, particularly regarding shared resources or inherited wealth. Physical health. Ketu's presence in a particular house can also trigger insecurity as knee or back pain. Key aspects of the Rahu transit in Aquarius. Rahu's nature. Rahu, a shadow planet, is associated with ambition, obsession, material desire, futuristic thinking, and sudden shifts. Aquarius's characteristics: technology, rebellion, and consciousness. Impact. The transit will intensify the desire to break free from old systems and explore uncharted territories. It will also encourage societal progress, technological advancements, and challenges to traditional structures. Bring career breakthroughs in tech-related fields, wealth creation through smart investments, and unique romantic connections. Overall effect: the Rahu-Ketu transit will bring about karmic rebalancing, challenges, and breakthroughs across various life domains, including career, relationships. Rahu's transit in Aquarius for Capricorn is a period of potential financial growth and personal transformation, but it also requires careful attention to communication, spending habits, and family dynamics. By fostering clear communication, managing spending responsibly, Capricorns can navigate this transit successfully and reap the rewards of its transformative power.